If you're looking for a larger new construction home on 5 acres in the Lebanon area, this one might just be the one for you. So with that, let's dive right in. Welcome to 5405 Manners Road, Lebanon, Tennessee. More than 4,700 square feet of living space on a 5-acre country lot. This new construction home by Larry Powell Builders features 5 potential bedrooms, although a 4-bedroom septic, 4 full bathrooms, multiple living areas, a large office, flex room, and even a storm shelter. All that topped by higher-end finishes. Stay tuned for full details.
So let's take a quick second to dive into the location itself. So this property is located approximately here on what is known as Manners Road. You are situated to the northwest of Lebanon. So if you're looking for a country setting, but not sacrificing the full convenience aspect of it, this one could be for you. You have decent access to the Cumberland River. And then as far as shopping and everything else like that, you've got the heart of Lebanon, the historic square, about 15 minutes away. And the same goes for all your shopping, so your grocery stores and everything else like that. Zooming out a little further, you've got Mount Juliet, which has more shopping down to the southwest. That's going to be approximately 25 minutes or so. Going a little further, you've got the Nashville International Airport to the southwest. That's about a 35-minute drive. And then if you want everything that Nashville has to offer, the heart of Nashville is about 45 minutes. If you are a lake person, you have a few lakes around you. You've got Percy Priest to the southwest. You've got Old Hickory Lake to the west. And then you also have Center Hill Lake to the southeast.
This is an all-brick home. The front yard is nice and level. On the side, you have a big driveway, 2-car garage up top. Following the driveway down, you'll also find an additional garage on the back of the house. Plenty of space for a couple of vehicles, hobby shop, workshop, you name it. The home also has a covered back deck along with a covered back patio and this beautiful view. As we head on this tour, we're going to start with the main floor, head up to the second floor, and then on down to the lower level. As we step into the main entry, the primary floor is going to cover the main living space, which includes the living room, primary kitchen, formal dining room, primary bedroom, an additional bedroom, additional full bathroom, laundry room, the 2-car garage, and also the covered back deck. So that's it for the main floor. Let's head upstairs. On the second floor, we're going to find 2 additional bedrooms, full bathroom, and then also the bonus room, which includes a wet bar. Let's head on down to the lower level. On the lower level, we're going to find an additional living area. You're going to find an office. You're going to find a storm shelter. You're going to find the flex room or dark room. You're also going to find an additional bedroom, full bathroom, and then that additional garage space. Thank you for joining on this tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out. All prices and property status are linked in the description of this video. With that, hope you guys have a blessed day. See you soon.